Hi all, let's start creating or registering the APIs on B2ALABS Smart Gateway. So you can see there are three things. One is API Gateway, API Orchestration, and Dev Portal. So you have to go to API Gateway, click on API Gateway. Now you can see the default created product, modified product created, recently created and all. So we'll be registering the REST API. Then we will try to test the same REST API what we have registered on Postman. Okay, let's start creating a product. Demo product. Click next. What API you want to name? Demo API. Okay, name will be demo 1. If I go on URI, so I'll paste some URI for it. Okay, so let's take a URI which is working. Let's test this one. If I try to paste /entries, okay, so you can see that this API is working. So we'll copy this URI here. No filters required. /entries is the predicate. Method is get. Submit it. Now we'll be able to see a product that is registered and named after demo 1. In demo 1, there's one API which is named as entries. List is the API which is registered on Smart Gateway. So Smart Gateway is hosted on localhost 8000. 8000 entries is the uh, path for the API, and you can see the username password that I've provided for the API. If I try to submit, you can see the response is there. The response time is 2.33. If I try to hit it again, it decreases to 5 milliseconds. So that's for the day. Thank you.